Greetings! It's Maxo Diddly. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can move a folder on Google Drive. Let's get right into it. So I want to move my folder called My Important Files into my Place to Move Important Files folder. So let's get into it. So on the folder you want to click on the More Actions button, which will be 3 dots in a vertical line. Then you want to go down to Organise, then you want to click on Move. Then a menu's going to pop up, and you want to pick on the folder that you want to move your folder into. So since I want to move it into my Place to Move Important Files to folder, I'm going to click on Move when hovering over this folder. So I'll click on Move, and if we look at the folder where I asked to move my other folder, as you can see, the folder was moved with all of the files still inside. So, thanks for being a great audience. Be sure to leave a like and a comment if you enjoyed, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.